Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. This week's video is going to be a little bit different because I could not ignore the situation anymore. I know what's going on in the US with the coronavirus, and in Italy especially, where it started before than the US. And many were asking how is the situation in Italy, how is your grandma doing. So I wanted to give you guys a little update about the situation here in Brescia, because I live in Brescia, which is one of the most affected cities in the world after where it started in China. And I'm close to Bergamo, so it's Brescia in Bergamo, and it's in the north of Italy, in Lombardia, in the Lombardia region. And so just want to give you some quick updates about the situation and how are things right now. So my grandma is okay, luckily, because unfortunately both the brother and sister-in-law of my grandma recently died, and we are thinking that it was because of the coronavirus for some of them, but we are not sure because we don't have the certainty about it, because they weren't tested. But it was just too strange that in 3 months all 3 died, one after the other. So the situation is that right now I'm very scared for my grandma, because I really hope nothing bad is gonna happen to her. But I'm just doing what I can to stay as little as possible with her, and not to leave her alone as well, because being alone all day for weeks is not good as well. So I just say hi to her, how are you, and that's it. So that's what's going on. And many of my cousins got the virus as well. So I have probably 5 cousins with the virus. And we know many people in the area that got it and went to the hospital, and they were in the reanimation section of the hospital, you know, where you are with the ventilatore, we call it in Italian, the thing that you need to breathe. So that's the situation. We are in quarantine, of course, and that's my wife there, and she's working right now. And I just wanted to give you guys this update because I think it was needed. I help you learn Italian, and Italy is going through a bad situation. And I wanted to tell you that things are looking bad, of course, but people, we are still living. We are in our houses. We are living. We are not all dying. We are worried, and life has changed dramatically. We cannot move around with the car anymore. I cannot go out outside my house, not even to walk the dog. Like, that's something that they are suggesting us not even to do that, like to walk the dog in your garden if you can. And you know, it's really crazy. Like, we have to get out of our house just for the super most urgent things, like going to the groceries every 10 days, not every day. You know, things are getting worse and worse every day that goes by. And I'm recording this the 30th of March, so this video is gonna come probably in 6 days. So I don't know the situation exactly on the day when the video is gonna come out, how it's gonna be. But the key thing I wanted to share with you is that it is a tough situation. Be careful wherever you are in the US to take this seriously, not to get to the point where we are in Italy in terms of deaths, because there are more than 10,000 deaths at this point, and they will increase going towards the 12, 13, 14, till this thing is gonna be fixed. And in the meantime, I still want to suggest that you use your time during the quarantine the best way possible. So if you can study a language, do it. If you can improve your Italian, definitely do it. If you can read books in Italian, listen to music in Italian, talk with your Italian relatives and friends through your iPhone or mobile phone, definitely do it. If you're already a student of mine that is learning Italian with me, with complete Italian mastery, definitely keep using the materials, and do it even more now if you're at home. And take this time as an opportunity to grow mentally, emotionally, and even health-wise. If you can train your house, do some exercises while you listen to some Italian. Don't get down too much in terms of your emotional well-being, etc. I know that for many it's also a tough financial situation right now. So really, it's the time to have faith, pray, and be positive, because we have to do what we can do, and we have to forget what we cannot control, which is in this case the control of this disease in Italy for me. And that's it, guys. Just wanted to send you this message. I hope you guys are well outside of the external circumstances that we cannot control. Wish you the best. I'll see you next week, and thank you for watching. If you have any question, of course, regarding this situation, please leave it in the comments, and we will be happy to answer you. If you have curiosities about life here in the most effective city in Italy, one of the most, please feel free to share it with me, okay? And I wish you a great week.